Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah if you guys are new, and on this channel we love everything beauty, from makeup to fragrance, skincare, all of the above. We also love Colourpop and we love mystery boxes, so I have a really fun video for you guys today, and it is a Colourpop mystery box unboxing. This is so much fun. I've never had a Colourpop mystery box before. I'm pretty sure they've done them before, but they are back and they're going to have a small, medium, and large box available hopefully today if I'm getting this video up on the date. Otherwise, all the information is also in the description box as to when these are launching, but they are launching on the 17th. So I am going to share what I got in my mystery box. This video is sponsored by Colourpop. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring, but you guys know I'm a huge fan of their makeup and I also really enjoy mystery boxes. I do quite a bit of different mystery unboxings on my channel, so I cannot wait to see what is in this Colourpop one. I do have the large box here. There's going to be different variations of these boxes, so you might not get the same items that I get, but you guys know that Colourpop has so many items on their website, so it's truly a mystery as to what we're going to receive. I have no idea. This box retails for $99. I don't know the value that it will be yet, but at the end we will see if we can calculate it if they have the items available on the site still. There's also going to be a small box for $29 and a medium box for $59, but I'm unboxing the large box today. This is what it looks like with the little mystery question marks all over it, and if I have any duplicates, you guys know I'm going to do a giveaway too. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Super cute packaging for these, and it has a little paper cutout that says it's a mystery. Let's see what products are inside. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here. This is nuts. Okay, first thing, this is by Fourth Ray Beauty. So it looks like we do get some of the other Colourpop brands as well. This is like their more skincare line. They also have the Soul Body line, which is more body care. I actually don't have really anything from Fourth Ray, so this is really exciting. We got the Avocado Body Milk. I've always been wanting to try these from them, and I'm really excited that I got the avocado one. The packaging on this is so cute. It looks like a little milk carton, and then here is what the actual product looks like. I did want to just put a little bit on my hands to test out. It's a nice lightweight, non-greasy formula, so this is a good one for summer. And to me, this almost has like a cucumber scent, just very light and refreshing. But overall, really nice. Can't wait to try this out a bit more. Next up, we received a LIPPIE pencil in this super cute blue with hearts packaging. I don't know what collection this is from. This is in the shade Field Day. This is what it looks like, and then I will go ahead and swatch this for you. This is a really good dark, warmer brown lip liner. I think I would get a lot of use out of that one. There's a lot of like little pencil things in here. This is the cream gel liner, and we got the shade Electric Daisy. Wow, this is super neon green. I actually don't have anything like this as well, so I think I'm gonna keep this one as well. How fun is that? Oh my goodness. Yeah, super neon lime green. Electric Daisy. You definitely have to be okay with color for these boxes for sure. We also got a LIPPIE STIX in the shade Poison. This is a matte color. I might put this one in the giveaway. I don't wear a ton of darker reds like this, but this will be nice for the upcoming fall season. We also got another LIPPIE stick. This one is in the shade Trust Me. It's another matte one. I think I'll put this in the giveaway as well. This one is like a really true bright red color. I really do like the LIPPIE STIX formula. They glide on the lips really nicely, and they're super moisturizing on the lips. So we got two LIPPIE STIX. Let me move on to another product, something different than the little liners and pencils. We have another Soul Body product, and this is their Shimmering Dry Oil from them. It says it's a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimension shimmer. Oh my goodness, this stuff is crazy. Look at how cool this is. Super sparkly and fun. This is really cool. I want to try it on some of my kind of drier spots like my elbows and knees and see how it is. It does have like a light fragrance to it. It has like a slight fruitiness, almost with a little bit of coconut mixed in. It's a nice fragrance, so I will try out that formula too. Another 4th Ray product I got. This is a face milk, the Papaya face milk. Another product I have not tried from them. This is what the face milks look like. They always look so cute because they are kind of like that milky look. And it says it's going to replenish and condition the complexion. This could be nice just as like a before makeup type of moisturizing primer. We also have here a ultra glossy lip from them. This one is in the shade Irreplaceable, and it looks like this. I have so many glosses, so I think I'm gonna put this one in the giveaway, but I'm pretty sure this one is mostly gonna look very clear on the lips. You could wear it with pretty much any lipstick color, so that one's gonna go in the giveaway. I also got a mustard kind of yellow eyeliner. This one is actually one of their liquid liners, so not the gel ones, but I'm also going to put that in the giveaway too, just for a fun pop of yellow. Mustard colors are super in for fall. We have from 4th Ray, this is the VINO Rejuvenating Serum Boost. I'm not quite sure what this is. It says that this nutrient-rich antioxidant found in wine grapes works to defend against free radicals, leaving skin restored and soft to the touch. Okay, so it's a fun skin serum. I did receive the Act Natural Defining Mascara. I have not tried any of Colourpop's mascaras yet, so this is really exciting for me. It's the brown one. So a brown mascara. I don't think I have any brown mascaras in my collection, so very curious in trying that one out. I also received the mascara in black as well. I got a 4th Ray Beauty face milk again. This one is in chamomile, and this one looks like this. I think I'm gonna throw this one in the giveaway for you guys since I did end up keeping the papaya one. I have here a cream gel color in sour candy. Super curious what this is gonna look like. I don't know if you would use this as eyeliner or if you could put it all over the lid, but it could be a really fun just gel eyeliner. I think I will hold on to this one because it's a really pretty peachy shade. I think that is going to be so much fun. And then this one's actually a cream shadow. I have not tried their cream shadows either. I've always tried like the Super Shocks and stuff. This one's in Bronco. Ooh, so this is a matte. This is actually going to be a great base for like eyeshadow. So I think I will test that one out and see if it makes a good primer because it looks a lot like MAC Paint Pot, like Painterly Paint Pot. Next up, I got a LIPPIE pencil. This one is in ASHTON. I think I have this color and it's one of my favorite like taupey lip pencils. So I'm really excited to give this one to one of you guys. It is a gorgeous cool tone nude. You guys have to try it out. I have it in the That's Taupe collection. I didn't know they made it regularly too. And then I got one of their ultra blotted lips. I actually don't think I've tried this formula. I think it's supposed to be kind of like the popsicle lip trend where it kind of like stains them a bit. I got the shade DOOZY. And I think this is going to be a really pretty color, kind of like that mid-tone pink. I will swatch this one for you guys. So this one does look dark right now, but I think it'll be pretty on the lips. I do like more of a darker kind of red lip tint. I did get one of their Jelly Much shadows. Now I have not tried these before. This is in their... What was this collection called? I have the eyeshadow palette and I can't remember the name, but it came out last year. This Jelly Shadow is in the color SAGUARO, and it is like this gorgeous coral with a ton of shine. That's what it looks like. I'm actually very curious in trying this out. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, these are going to be so pretty. Look at that. It kind of goes on similar to how their Super Shocks do, honestly. They're not like too liquidy, but they pack so much color. I need to try more of these from the line because these are actually really fun. I love sparkle and shimmer, so I think that's going to be a good one. I also got this Super Shock highlighter in... The shade is WISP. I think this is one of their popular ones too. I love their Super Shock ones. Like, I have the big ones and I use them all the time. I know this is a great everyday shade for all skin tones, so I do want to go ahead and put this in the giveaway. I have so many of their Super Shocks already, so I think you guys would love this one. I did get a couple single eyeshadows, which is really fun. I was not expecting that, so this is cool. I know Colourpop singles is kind of how I got into them in the first place, so I did get the shade Imperial. This is a like matte Coral right here. This is what it looks like swatched. I also got a pressed glitter, which I didn't know they did those for singles too. And this color is like insanely gorgeous. This is called Tiny Nugget. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is so beautiful. So look at that. This is Tiny Nugget. It has more of that chunky glitter, so not everyone would be really into that, but sometimes I like it just to top on the eyes. Just being very careful with it. So pretty. And then lastly, you guys, I'm shocked about this. The last two items in this mystery box, I got 2 Animal Crossing items. I think these are the palettes too. I got 2 of them. That's crazy. So I ended up buying this whole collection when it came out because I'm a big Animal Crossing fan. So both of these will be going in the giveaway. I do want to show you what it looks like though. So I grabbed the ones I have in my collection. So first we have the 5-Star Island. This is probably my favorite palette in the collection and it looks like this. So cute. I love the yellow and pink color scheme together. Then I also got the more neutral palette in the Animal Crossing collection, which has Blathers on it. Blathers is the best. He's like my favorite character in Animal Crossing. But we got the What a Hoot palette. So it looks like this, just more of that neutral color scheme. So that is really cool that they included the Animal Crossing stuff as well. So you guys may get that as well in your mystery box. That is everything in this box. Again, this is the large box, just an idea of what you guys will receive. I'll go ahead and calculate the totals if I can find everything about what the retail price would be of this. But I think this is so much fun. We really did get a good variety of products, like not too much of one thing, a little bit from the Fourth Ray brand, which is nice as well if you guys don't have a lot from them. Surprisingly, like I have a huge Colourpop collection, you guys know, and a lot of these items I did not have already, so that was really fun. But I will have the link down below if you guys want to snag one of these mystery boxes when it is available. Hopefully still in stock. These might sell out pretty quickly though, I don't know. I did want to get into the little giveaway I have for you. I have a few things I wanted to give away, so there will be one winner for this one. You guys will get the little Animal Crossing eyeshadow palettes, a couple Fourth Ray Beauty skincare products, 3 Colourpop lip products, 1 lippie pencil, 1 eyeliner, and of course the Super Shock cheek. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment with your favorite Colourpop palette. If you guys haven't tried Colourpop, that's totally okay too. Just comment whatever, but I'm so curious to know what your guys' favorite Colourpop palette is, and that is how you enter. I'll end the giveaway 1 week from today, and I usually contact you through Instagram, so if you could leave me your Instagram handle in your comment, that would be awesome so I could get a hold of you. But that is all I have for today's video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.